Where's your tongue?
No.
Yes.
Okay.
Where's your tongue?
No.
Do it.
No.
Are you going to throw a fit?
Okay.
You can't play with my phone if you throw a fit. Show me your tongue.
Okay.
Show me your nose.
No.
Where's your eyes?
No.
What about your belly?
No.
What about your boo-boo?
No.
You're not going to show me anything?
Okay.
It's not very nice.
Okay.
Where'd you learn to be mean?
Okay.
Did you learn that from your daddy?
No.
Did you learn it from your mama?
Okay.
You did not learn that from me, Silas. You better say, just kidding. Say, giddy up.
Good.
Say, giddy up.
No. Okay.
You don't want to giddy up. You want to lay down.
Okay.
Do you want to see Kinley?
Okay.
Kinley?
Okay.
Do you want Kinley to come over? What about Mimi?
Okay.
You want Kinley? Can you say Aunt Leah?
To go.
You want to go? You want to go see Kinley and Leah? Where's your belly?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what?
To go.
You want to go?
Uh-oh.
Where's your boo-boo?
Uh-oh.
Where's your boo-boo?
To go.
It's on your knee.
To go.
You want to go? Where do you want to go?
There.
Do you need to get dressed? Put your pants on. Can you put them on? Where did they go?
That go.
Where did they go?
That go.
Thank you.
Okay.
You want Mama to put them on? You put them on. Put your leg in. Can you put your leg in? Hold on to something so you don't fall. Are you going to try to get dressed by yourself? You do it. Pull it up. Uh-oh. Your leg came out. Put your leg in. Hold on to me. Hold on to me. You're not holding on to nothing, Silas. You're going to fall.